I'm gonna see if I got trusted user. So check. See if I have trusted user. Let me see if I can unlock the fraud. I'm gonna show you guys where the popcorn. Wait. Oh, wait. No, scratch that. I'm gonna tell you guys what's unloading. Monkey. So I'm gonna smack him or eating a candy bar. Alright, I'm loading it. Alright, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, give me a second to load. I think trust the user. Alright, like I was.
But you got.
So like I was saying, guys, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys.
I got
how
all
to,
6.
Does anybody want to know how to get knife?
Bro, you get all.
Bro, you got one.
Does anybody want to know how to get knife?
I know how to get it. I already have
You're not done that fast.
Son,
So I'm showing you guys how to get popcorn. Not hold on, let me tell you first. I'm showing you guys how to get popcorn.
Yeah, but mine is so much more.
Knife and fraud. Alright. BRB guys, BRB.